This is an introduction to the Instrumentarium Orthopantomograph, otherwise known as the OP30. In this video, you will learn about the new OP30 unit. This unit is designed to take standard digital pantograph exposures, pediatric panoramic exposures, segmented panoramic exposures, bite wings, and TMJ exposure. It uses a digital image receptor and PC with a suitable imaging software for image acquisition and handling. Here at the college, we use a laptop computer with SoPro imaging within the Practice Web system. The OP unit consists of three major parts: the column, the upper shelf, and the rotating unit. Take a moment to locate the emergency stop button on the front of the machine and the on-off switch on the back of the column, about 18 inches off the ground. On the front of the unit, you will locate the exposure warning light, a mirror, the mid-sagittal light, the Frankfurt light and light positioning knob, the focal trowel positioning knob, the chin rest, the patient support handles, and the head support, which includes temple supports and nasion. On the side, just above the emergency stop button, you'll find the lights key, which turns the positioning light on and off, the up-down keys that drive the unit up and down, and the return key that moves the unit to the patient in an in-out position. On the rotating unit, you will locate the main control panel, and in the first row, you will find the program selection keys. P1 stands for Standard Pan, P2 for Pediatric, P3 for TMJ exposure, and BW for bite wings only. In the second row, you will be able to select the patient's size, either child, adolescent small adult, adult, and large adult. Below the child icon, you will find the manual mode selection key marked M. To the right of the M, you will see kilovoltage and milliamperage selection keys for manual mode only, which shows as a minus to reduce or a plus to increase the values. The unit automatically calibrates kilovoltage and milliamperage values for you based on the patient selection. Below the manual mode, there is a test key marked T, which allows to use the unit without radiation. We can use this function to demonstrate to an anxious patient how the unit works. To the right of the test key, you will find the exposure time display. All the way to the right, you will find the segmented panoramic program selection key. Working our way down to the fifth row on the control panel, you will see the service key and the display of dose area product, DAP, which is the measurement of the amount of radiation in the air. At the very bottom, you will find the unit status indicator displaying. The ready green light indicating that the unit is ready for exposure will be displayed. For obtaining a standard panoramic exposure, we will use a chin rest, a bite block, and a bite block stick. This unit comes equipped with additional accessories that will be needed when exposing edentulous patients or taking TMJ exposures. Your instructor will assist you in selection of proper accessories when the time comes. Please refer to the unit preparation and setup video to set up the unit for exposure.